Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2012 Hyundai i30, stock number 6761. It's ran from the 3rd 2012 to the 2nd 2017. It has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is the G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory maggot tyre, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory maggot tyre, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.